Hi friends! Today we will revise electric field of a ring with our favorite sir, Fundu. Sir!
Hi Golu. Should we start?
Yes sir.
Okay. तो सबसे पहले हम एक रिंग लेंगे with radius r and charge capital Q. We have to write electric field at any point on the axis which is at a distance x.
Okay.
It will be kqx upon r square plus x square raised to the power 3 by 2. If we will put x equals to 0, E at center will become 0.
Cool.
Field एक वेक्टर क्वांटिटी है तो इसका डायरेक्शन भी होगा and the direction will be along the axis. If q is positive, it will be away from the center. If q is negative, it will be towards the center.
Okay.
फिर आता है ग्राफ. Field will be maximum at x equals to plus minus r by root 2. E versus x का ग्राफ will look like this.
Great.
I hope कि तुझे ये समझ में आ गया होगा.
Yes sir.
Alright, so we'll meet in next class with next topic. तब तक के लिए प्लीज चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करिए, लाइक करिए और स्प्रेड करिए. Your help means a lot to us. Thank you and tata.